Basketball is like poetry in motion. You coming down the court, see a defender in your way, you take him to the right, you take him back to the left, he's falling back, then it's just Jay right in his face. And then you look at him, and then you say, what? What's going on, everyone? My name is John, you're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Jordan 1 Hyper Royal, or He Got Game. Now this shoe pays homage to the 20th anniversary of He Got Game, the Spike Lee joint. It starred Ray Allen and Jesus Shuttlesworth, and the colorway is modeled off of the high school team that Jesus played for, the Lincoln Rail Splitters. The jerseys were Hyper Royal, or like a royal blue and white. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard black and red Jordan 1 box, and the colorway is Hyper Royal and Sail. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a mostly tumble leather upper, and it's all Hyper Royal, as well as some Sail detailing as well. Take a look at the toe. You have a Hyper Royal toe box with the Hyper Royal toe cap, and it's all tumble leather. For the tongue, you've got a nylon tongue, and it's a thick tongue. Like, this is a well padded tongue. And on the tongue tag, instead of having the stitched Nike Air logo, you have an embossed one. Also, the shoe comes with Sail laces. You have a Hyper Royal insole with the white Nike Air logo. For the lateral, you got the Hyper Royal tumble leather upper, as well as the Nike swoosh, which is white and is also tumble leather. And you've got the white Jordan Wings logo on the ankle collar. For the heel, you've got a smooth leather heel to go with the tumble leather ankle collar, which is Hyper Royal. The medial is identical to the lateral, except for the fact that there is no Jordan Wings logo on the ankle collar. So you've got the tumble leather upper, as well as the Nike swoosh, and it's all tumble leather. You have a white rubber midsole, and the whole shoe sits on a Hyper Royal outsole. Quality on this shoe is amazing. Quality on this shoe is probably the best that I've seen on a Jordan 1 all year. Better than the Shadows, better than the Bread Toes, better than the satin shattered backboards, better than the homage to Holmes. This one is currently the best quality Jordan 1 out there. Like, the tumble leather on here is so soft. Like, it's amazing how great the quality on this shoe is. The tongue is well padded. The colorway is clean as well, and man, the quality is just amazing on this shoe. Like, I can't stop talking about this quality. Like, the quality on this shoe is now the precedent. The shattered backboard is still the pinnacle of leather on a Jordan 1, but this is number 2 now, like, of everything. That might be a bit of an over-exaggeration, but that's how good the quality on this shoe is. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. Air Jordan 1 He Got Game, or Hyper Royal, hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on July 7th for a retail price of $160. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.